Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this channel we provide the in-depth knowledge of different programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, which differentiate you with others. In our series of simple pointers, we had uploaded 7 to 8 lectures. Today we are going to discuss another topic. As we have started this simple pointer series, I am getting good response from everybody. Everybody is liking and appreciating this approach, and they are insisting me, sir, please don't stop this series. We are getting good help from this series. So let's start. Today question. Here we are having a main function in which we are declaring an array char arr equal to hello. What is hello? Hello is a string. Why it's a string? Because it's a double quotes. Double quotes means it's a string. So char arr is equal to hello. Hello is initialized to arr. So what is arr? Arr is an array or a string or both. So arr is an array as well as string. So what is the difference between an array and a string? If any character array is terminated with \0, it becomes a string. So every string is a character array, whereas every character array is not a string. That we have already discussed in the previous lectures. So char arr is equal to hello. Then when int I equal to 0, while. What is while? While is a loop. What is loop? Why we are using loop? If we want to execute a statement or a set of statement for n number of times, so we are using something known as loop. It is known as control statement. तो while arr I means I की वैल्यू यहाँ पे कितनी है 0. arr I means h की ASCII वैल्यू it must be non-zero. तो while non-zero value true, तो it will print %c arr I and value at arr plus I and value at I plus arr and I arr. First two statements, no issues, arr I or value at arr plus I. This is what? This is your subscript notation and this is your pointer notation. This is your subscript notation and this is your pointer notation. But this is a new we are seeing first time. Means ultimately ये चीज़ मान के रखिए arr plus I कीजिए या I plus arr लिखिए, one or the same thing. And this arr I is converted into value at arr plus I or I plus arr. If I can write this into this, so I can write this into this also. But this is only possible when you are accessing the array elements. At the time of definition, inside this bracket, what we have learned, it must be non-zero, positive, constant. We cannot have a variable name here at the time of definition of an array. But if you want to access the elements of the array, you can write I of arr. Getting my point? Either you write arr of I or value at arr plus I or value at I plus arr or I arr, one or the same thing. In all the condition arr 0, arr plus 0, 0 plus arr or 0 ka arr, what I am getting? I am getting h. Now if I write I of arr, I cannot write 5 arr na at the time of definition. Why? Because we cannot have a variable name with 5. Because हमने क्या पढ़ा है? First character should be an alphabet, rest can be alphabet or digit or one special symbol, that is underscore sign. So we cannot have a variable name with digit or we cannot have a variable name inside this bracket also. So both the condition are false. That is why compiler will flash an error. But at the time of accessing the elements, I can write I of arr. Why? Because if arr is converted into value at arr plus I, the value at I plus arr can be converted into I arr. And arr plus I or I plus arr, one or the same thing. So in all the four conditions what we are getting h. That is why this 4 times h is displayed. Then I plus plus I की value कितनी हो जाएगी? 1. arr 1 means HELLO. I think up to here, no doubt, 0th element, first element, second element, third element, and fourth element. Now, sorry, value of I becomes 5. Now ARR 5 is what? Backslash 0. Because if it is a string, तो it must be terminated with backslash 0. तो backslash 0 का ASCII value कितना होता है? ASCII value of backslash 0 is what? 0. While 0 means false, this loop will be terminated. मीन्स हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? वाइल जब तक ये कंडीशन ट्रू होगी, ये कंडीशन कब तक ट्रू रहेगी? जब तक उसको 0 नहीं मिलेगा. तो जैसे बैकस्लैश 0 मिलेगा, बैकस्लैश 0 की ASCII कितना होता है? 0. वाइल 0 कंडीशन टर्मिनेट, कंडीशन फॉल्स एंड द लूप विल बी टर्मिनेटेड. So this is how things are working. Go through this. If any doubt, you can ask me. Output is HELLO. These are the two things that I have to show you. कि I can write value at I plus ARR, or I can write I of ARR, one or the same thing. Make it very clear in your mind. If you want to access the array elements, then only you can write I of ARR. But if you are defining an array, you cannot write 5 of ARR. Na? Why we cannot write that? We have already discussed few minutes before. You can rewind the lecture and see it. Any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we should stop here. And if you like the contents of this channel, please like, share and subscribe as much you can. It motivates us. Let's see this program in the Visual Studio. The same program I have written. We will try to execute this program. As we execute the program, what we are getting? We are getting HELLO. Okay. Any doubt, you can comment me. I will try to reply within 24 hours. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.